Ziara Porinde Islamic quiz. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Zin Azia quiz for you. A quiz you know what Islamic quiz. You know to Dora Islamic knowledge called Islamic board history coloric Kazagibariba. For the first question over there, who was the first prophet? For the Shurur prophet Nobi Honno. Yano Jopan Diba. Number 2 mother, which prophet built the Kaaba with his son? Honnobi Waye Binde Kaaba Shurifore Hibar for Huati Jopan Diba. Number 3 mother, which prophet was given the Zabur? Honnobi Ware Zabur Kitapwa Diagi. There go famous books Asadanone, Taurat, Zabur, Injil, Quran. Ibanna. Yarmade, sign number maze, which prophet had control over the wind and jinn? Jibaye Jinodo Boyar Haware control Gori Heto. Iba Honnobi, Iban Naman. As number maze, which prophet interpreted dreams? Honnobi Waye Haware Tabir Gito. Number 6, who was the last prophet? Honno Ahiridobi. Number 7, which angel delivered the revelation? Hon Forista Waye Wahire deliver Gito. No Bikor Hase Honsaito. Iba Hon Forista. Forista one Nam Ki. Number 8, longest surah in the Quran. Quran Sharif made lamba surah honno. Bishi lamba surah honno. No number maze number 9, shortest surah. Baita surah Quran Sharif made. Number 10, which surah is called the heart of the Quran? Hon surah wa Quran Sharif hoilla. Hedurbe doshwa question inor jopin kora so iguri dibabili I asha kori.